Number 1. 1996 Ford F-150, price $7,500. It has approximately 179,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission and petrol engine, finished in green with a gray interior, offering a classic and rugged look. Since ownership, several important upgrades and maintenance items have been completed, including a new power steering pump, alternator, and high-quality Continental drive belt. The smog system has been fully refreshed, and the intake manifold has been decarbonized with new gaskets. The drivetrain has been improved with a new slip yoke and drive shaft. It sits on 33 by 10.5 BF Goodrich CO2 tires with Mint OEM rims, supported by fresh springs and Bilstein shocks. Additional touches include a premium floor liner and a clean XLT bumper. There are a few known issues: the brake light switch can randomly engage the starter, currently disconnected, and the PMS still throws smog codes despite repairs. Typical age-related concerns include a minor rear main seal leak, non-functioning AC, and some fragile wiring. Number 2. 1985 Nissan 720, price $7,000, presented with a blue exterior and a gray interior, offering a clean and classic compact truck appearance. It has been driven approximately 140,000 miles and is powered by a petrol engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a more engaging driving experience. The truck has received several updates and improvements, including an upgraded carburetor, a new master cylinder, new brakes, and new tires with a recent alignment, ensuring it runs and stops as it should. It also features a straight pipe exhaust setup, giving it a more aggressive sound. The suspension has been lowered for a sportier stance, while LED headlights provide improved visibility. Additional highlights include a functioning air conditioning system for added comfort and a repaint completed about a year ago, finished with pinstriping, although it is noted that the paint job is not of show quality. Number 3. 1992 Toyota pickup, price $6,200, is a well-maintained example, finished in a clean gray exterior with a matching gray interior. It has been driven 102,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 22 or EFI engine paired with a manual transmission, running on petrol. Known for its durability and fuel efficiency, this pickup offers strong performance while remaining economical on fuel. The engine and transmission are reported to be in excellent condition, delivering smooth operation and solid power, running like a champion. It is also equipped with air conditioning that blows very cold, enhancing comfort during daily use. Additional upgrades include a Bluetooth touchscreen stereo system and Bilstein shock absorbers installed both in the front and rear, improving ride quality and handling. Overall, this Toyota pickup stands out as a clean and dependable truck, combining efficiency, performance, and comfort, making it an attractive choice for both work and everyday driving. Number 4. 1994 Ford F-150, price $7,000. This vehicle is equipped with a 5.8L Cleveland V8 petrol engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has accumulated approximately 177,700 miles over its lifetime. The truck benefits from extensive recent maintenance, including 5 brand new tires and a fully refreshed suspension system with new shocks, control arms, ball joints, and sway bar links, all contributing to a more stable and comfortable driving experience. The engine has also received significant attention, with a new cylinder head installed along with fresh intake manifold gaskets and upper and lower valve cover gaskets, improving overall engine condition and reliability. Inside, the cabin has been updated with a new headliner, enhancing its overall appearance and comfort. With its combination of a strong V8 engine, automatic transmission, and numerous recent upgrades, this F-150 stands as a solid and dependable classic truck ready for continued use. Number 5. 2000 Nissan Frontier, price $6,300, finished in blue with a gray interior. It features an automatic transmission and runs on petrol, with a total of 160,000 miles driven. The truck is configured as a crew cab with 4 full doors, offering good space and comfort for passengers. Although it is not a 4x4 model, the vehicle is equipped with power windows and door locks, and both the air conditioning and heater are working properly. Mechanically, the truck is in good condition with no leaks and no check engine lights present. Overall, it is described as a very solid truck that starts and runs well. It may need new front tires soon. Number 6. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, presented in a burgundy exterior paired with a beige interior. It is powered by a 5.3L V8 petrol engine with an automatic transmission, and has been driven approximately 170,000 miles. The transmission was rebuilt about 1 year ago and is supported by a TrueCool 40K transmission cooler along with new transmission lines. A recent oil change has also been completed, keeping the engine in good running condition. The truck features a fully refreshed heavy-duty front end, including brand new headlights, bumper pad, valance, hood, and LED lighting, enhancing both appearance and functionality. Its 4x4 push-button system is fully operational with no reported issues. In terms of condition, the exterior is rated around July 10th, with a dent on the driver's door. However, replacement driver and passenger doors with new handles are included. The interior is rated 8 out of 10 and remains all original cloth, maintaining its authentic feel. Number 7. 1985 Dodge W150, price $5,000, finished in black with a tan interior, offering a rugged and timeless appearance. It is powered by a 318 engine running on petrol and paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has been driven approximately 80,000 miles, making it a relatively low-mileage example for its age. The vehicle runs and is able to move under its own power around a yard, but it is currently not roadworthy and will need to be transported by trailer. To be put back on the road, it requires repairs, including replacement of the front driver's side floor pan. Additionally, the truck does not have a tailgate, as the original one was too deteriorated to keep. Overall, this Dodge W150 presents a solid restoration project with desirable 4x4 capability and classic styling. Number 8. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,000. It has covered approximately 210,000 miles and is powered by a petrol engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior combined with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. Oil changes performed every 3,000 miles and transmission fluid replaced every 30,000 miles. Several important components have recently been upgraded, including a new oil pan, a new rear main seal, new Bilstein shocks on all 4 corners, a new steering dampener, and a new AC compressor. The frame has been treated with fluid film for added protection, and the vehicle is equipped with a working remote start system. However, there are still a few issues that need attention. The check engine light is currently on due to an O2 sensor issue, although it will likely be replaced before the sale. The truck also needs a new battery. There is a crack in the windshield and an exhaust leak that should be repaired. Number 9. 1965 Ford F1, price $6,000, finished in a clean white exterior with a striking red interior, showing approximately 88,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on petrol, making it a solid vintage truck with both style and capability. The truck starts right up and drives, and it has received several recent updates, including a new fuel pump, new battery, and new ignition switch. In addition, the carburetor has been rebuilt and the fuel tank has been flushed, helping to restore its drivability after being stored. Although the vehicle starts and appears to run well, it is recommended that it be towed, as it has been sitting in a warehouse for an extended period of time. The title is in hand, and the registration is currently in non-operational status with no outstanding penalties, making it a straightforward candidate for transfer in future use. Number 10. 1996 Ford Ranger, price $6,500, finished in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, offering a clean and consistent look. It has been driven approximately 140,000 miles and runs on a petrol engine paired with a transmission setup described as a 5-speed. The truck is in great running condition with both the interior and exterior kept clean. It has received several recent maintenance updates, including newer tires, a new water pump, a new thermostat, a fresh alignment, and new spark plugs along with wires. Additionally, a new idle air control valve has been installed, contributing to smooth engine operation. The engine itself is clean and reported to have no issues. Comfort features such as the air conditioning and heater are both fully functional, making it suitable for daily use in various conditions. However, it is noted that the headliner is missing and the cruise control cap is not present.